Bullying often manages fear of status loss. Small wins in front of others can become a habit. A micro win for the person bullying and a micro loss for the target teaches both sides to repeat the loop. Adults can fuel this loop with public confrontations or inconsistent follow-up. Use the swap test. Replace a put-down with a specific ask. Walk with me or leave me be. Power can be pro-social. Leadership tasks and repair steps build status without harm. Try the swap test today. Ask for what you want or disengage. What works? Action works.